The Ulefone Power Armor 19T is one of the best feature-packed rugged devices in the market. It's the 4G version of the Ulefone Power Armor 18T, and it's going to be launching on the 20th of March for $384, about half the price of the Power Armor 18T. Currently, Ulefone is giving away the Power Armor 19T, and not just the Power Armor 19T, but the Armor 20WT as well. If you wish to participate in the giveaway, then make sure to check out the link in the video description. Having in mind that the giveaway will be ending on the 19th of March, so you have just less than 4 days to participate in the giveaway. In case you do not know the specs and features of the Ulefone Power Armor 19T, these videos from Ulefone should get you up to speed. Let's check it out. So there we go, guys. The Power Armor 19T, like I mentioned earlier, is one of the best feature-packed rugged devices of 2023, and it's going to be launching on the 20th of March for half the price of the Power Armor 18T. If you want to find out more about the Ulefone Armor 19T, make sure to use the links in the video description. You could also participate in the giveaway that is currently going on by using the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.